In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a checkbox required Docusign. Making a checkbox required is perfect for acknowledgements, consents, and terms where a signer must confirm something before they can finish. I'll walk you through the exact settings and share a few tips so your recipients can't accidentally skip it. Start on the Add Fields screen of your envelope. On the left, you'll see the list of fields you can place on your document. Find the checkbox field and drag it onto the exact spot where you need a signer to confirm. You can resize or nudge it into place so it lines up neatly with your text. If you're mapping this to a specific person, make sure the correct recipient is selected before you drop the field, so the right person is prompted during signing. Next, click the checkbox you just placed. This opens its properties in the panel on the right side of the screen. The Properties panel is where you control everything about how the field behaves for the signer. In that panel, look for the Validation section and expand it. This is where you define the rule that makes the checkbox mandatory. From the validation options, choose Select at least. This tells Docusign to require a minimum number of selections before a signer can complete their part. Then, set the number to 1. With that change, the signer must check the box, or Docusign will prevent them from finishing. It's a simple rule but very effective for required acknowledgements. If you're working with a group of related checkboxes, the same setting is especially useful. Apply Select at least and set it to 1 for the group, and Docusign will enforce that at least one option in that set is chosen. That's great for scenarios where any one of several choices is acceptable, but leaving everything blank is not. It keeps your document flexible while still ensuring you collect a definitive response. Once the validation is set, you're done with the requirement. During signing, recipients will see the checkbox as usual, but if they try to finish without checking it, they'll get a clear prompt to complete the field. This helps you avoid delays, back-and-forth emails, and incomplete agreements. That's all there is to it. Place the checkbox field, open its properties, expand validation, choose Select at least, and set it to 1. With this rule in place, your document will reliably capture the confirmations you need every time.